In this video we'll discuss how you can create dialog components that operate in wizard or genie style. So you can see here we have a very simple dialog component that has 20 fields on it, and the fields have been arranged in a tab control with 4 tab panes. So you can see there's pane 1, pane 2, pane 3, pane 4. So now I'm going to go back to design mode and go to the tab control, and I'm going to turn on Genie style, and then I'm going to specify that the tab buttons themselves should be hidden. So now let's go over to working preview, and you can see we now have Genie style, which means that there's a next button to get to the next set of questions or the next set of input controls, and also there's a progress indicator that tells you what step you are on. Now when you're operating in Genie mode, the controls that are on the current pane of the dialog get validated. So when I press next right now, I'm going to get an error telling me that field number 2 is required. So I go there and press next, and you can see I cannot go to the next pane because I haven't yet filled in the data for field 2. So if I go back there to field 2, you'll see we've defined a validation rule for field 2 saying that it's required. So again, let's go back here and then press the next button, and then the data on this pane are validated, and we fail, so therefore we can't go to the next pane. So now I can go there and type in, say, A and then B, and now if I hit next, you can see I can now go to the second and next pane, and then the next pane, and then finally when I'm on the last pane, the submit button is available, and I can now submit the data to the server. So simply by setting one property on the tab control, we change the entire behavior of the dialog component from a standard dialog to a wizard style dialog. And then we can go there and add in, for example, animation, so that now when we switch from as we progress through the dialog, we can fade in from one set of questions to the next set of questions. So I'll go there and type in that and then hit next, and you can see that we did a quick fade in to the next pane in the Genie. So presenting your dialog in Genie style is very useful in situations where the dialog contains a large number of controls, and presenting all of the controls to the user at once would be overwhelming. Typically questionnaires and surveys are done using this Genie style, and the dialog component, as you can see, makes it very easy to do that. Thanks very much.